moye malamfo no moye akonfofo amot na mo siese mo opa mo betimi asesa nipa hyebra ene mo amonye magic na nko nipa akono meye o friend dada automatic why are you sending me friend request ebu ale na toatoa so be se aden oh munya isa ade no enye fresh eno so e kan say mama me you cry yakoso salia for ahun ofen be kele me stress no na sisi kakra me ade sisi kakra I fe yeah Sally baby man for no yama omo tete crowd ni sa friend request ni ade Nyankopon ni pa mu amete wo sa na mo send me ayi esa ai dey can say dekin mu ana mo so ya na mo send
Oni my jagrudi umu ade ohun o sa de na kone the live brother enyeza de Onyankopon penko ana mo nya ni tell them Onyankopon akoa a wafa brem
yes
amenne ogie bia beto no
yes
ada na wo sa de
na mo pete mo sa
de ne ko back
mo be fa me akọ
back to sender
e can say
enye yi entina me wo ha me bo wachidom no
yes bo wachidom yes
obia why ho so ye malam adwa se bra jeli bia no
yeah
ye bedu juma in fact ye ba arrest o because tesa no foi ye no amu an edi so o match me so down tesa no one dia
tesa no one
oh minimum masem pa nya sem ke to
seriously
but Brajeri call kesi say ne banewu
yeah
na sad
very sad
say unlusi
it is just so unfortunate
and now bada you will not understand so be say even 1 minute in pon odi ya nti our heart goes out to him say bra kwa shede nessa abo adwuma ni bi we dey enye bone because say all license no say license unim license ko
so fire and then impregnate
they say the account kita certificate
yeah
out the be adwuma nti koso na ye Onyankopon sa be ma ba ko ahye na ene na mu na mete wa no say o say counselor bi omo no nke ye kan omo na boa ma ware ejira na ware ebe jina so a ejina de obi a peso meboa ebi pe say ebe missionary ebi see a doggy style ade waja ye nti Adom peso obeka ho asem doggy style ana lawyer Morris Ampa say so a counselor so I say be me bia sebe wajimi wadwene wo form kakra ana obe try say bia eno kom kan brofo say mintumi nkan twi
lekin
say I say obe try say oyire no eho no wode wano na ye dididie no
yeah
ebeko ho o so yes I be ma wajimi pa e so Onyankopon amone sa enti mu amote ha amaye bi danyina me sure say Jimmy aye to bomu ebi akeke kan mi de menye ebi da me allow me hu obi anya ebi da enti Jimmy aye ken fa omo ye sha hu nyina
yes steady
me mema no ebi nto omo me mema de anyanza for pa
steady
ebi nto me da enti omo ka yes steady nyina ase ekotia omo ate kotia omo
tiwe o be catch me say
me your ba me ya konkron papa
we ne konkron ne de we
say wo bible mu say sa na ma no Nyankopon ani nyi ho te me start ya che te me nwa say mo atena ho ama lawyer na ebe ka akere mo na afi so say unim say your offense in the Ghana law offense to do that in the criminals amu wo krom ha nyina mo hyehyɛ mo bedroom o si mu nyai sa na enye bra kasi so kase minye biem
menka de benzi
kase minye biem
minye biem se de na me na me
na de
me na me
na me kase minye bi da shock you
then na say there na nya wona wo obi na ya
me ka say me ma me ho kwai wo bi ashoke o hwe shock awaye wo fifire na ati say sa
fifire be na efi wan nya wo na fifire
so ho because enye munyai kwani magu ase
ene na sample for eje munyai na enye mamo
tete banafo o ware ye je obetra so be impress na yira na afi na ko ba we nya bi oh another counselor George Lutrot or say ye ba area so mu a osuro omo pa when it comes to sex Joe Metal brother Sammy and Ernest Oboku the nti okasa na say e memo mu gina sori animu ase honhom
edi omo ye adwuma
e go so na ma so pepa me na me wo ex-boyfriend bi na ase honhom ne de ne ye adwuma sa ase woto nwom me ti ne ma 7
me de 7 ton nwom ti no
ewa sore won do be a chaka for we wo kwanim e futu a counselor de mamono eye pa anti say ne de all kan share say mumu ye dangerous e wo sexy nti mu hwe mu yi na ma amfa mu ansho because so far ye kan tu ahwe dada meboa wanu na ahwe dada
omo hwe ho
lawyer
omo hwe ho e ma bi na na person ko mo de omo hwe o by force
no but wa hwe ho ene so poku de me won ho report be yes na ya ase ne e ha no pa enya azam geso uni so be pie ya na kwa akasa a che ne se opa na pie na ese che se ya na o se mu nko a enti o se mu nhwe mu ho yie o sanya man e na ya mosre e na ya mosre kwabna say mu amo say wa ware eja no no afi no wabehu de enti amo wa ware eja mienu ene say emma no ebe hu abra no ye kwabna dada ito manfo odo ene bible mo ba for fame no to mo ba ye na ebi o ma menya ne o mo pe no no mo decide so mo say ne din enti emma ene me mo ye superstars and advice am me Salia meti oba papa so no me ho
ofe dwa
o pa won fe de na o se menye ebe ka hwema no oba papa bi etese me de me ka che
se na o ye yi ma hwe anye o ka se o ye yi se
me ka se me ye de
nanka o de eto
me ka se me ye de e de na me ka se me
aye kwan ho
o me se de na me ka se me ye
o ye hwe
me ya me nke kansem sa enwumani mu ase
o da bi anya nimu ase yi se o so kan lipstick no
na me makabi
say there be
makabi
na me confirm say ye no kre
say me
because say na ka pese o ye yi na me so there be
na pese me ye de me kese o
na me say
brother say the dikin fo nyine twan through
na me say
dikin fo through
o de be ma no na so there be we dey on fa lipstick bi anya na me say na say one one
pese kwabna asem ni bi beto what I say
into me e wo yesu
ni kwabna say enyu ono a e fam ni na ma ne ba yi nti na nsem bi sa ye dey etumi to no na de ye ka ne say da bia me ne counselor Lutrot ya adwene wa asem we hu se be ma wo be ware at the peak of your career ana wunyi ntum de nti a okasa ne say be ye oba na obefa no will be at the level wa wo say emfa da bi ebe yi if se sika ne ba o preferences sa ana meboa wo na wo yo hiani those times
dan you hiani
those times na
me ho na kire me ka na ho check aka ne ho but me you
o se wo ma wo fire na wo bra wo ko achi aha ba mistake
o da bi
sa wo nya mistake
me oba bia
ubetime de nakone
ma run pin bia
ubetime de nakone
enei
ubetime de nakone
de me chi akoba bia
ene hunkun na ne udi
because me de
nya mema nyina na tesa
me de so me no me
lewo ani hu waja na yire eja ko
me oba bia you oye ya wa me ni na ya
o da bi o ne wani abie samia
se tina me madam for no se
enya asem keju akura je se ye de ye ko no se daachi asem nti wo ni bi kura ofa de daachi ubeti ne na so wo nti kwabena advice mo se mo fa ma o mo ne mo daachi ehia na mo ntimi anko ye mistake
no
or guru
gulu
gulu gulu na on say na say isi wasan no for amponza so kra o ana ese ye kan wuta so won ho na we na say guru on say ese no de aka ne ne ama ho so me na me de wuta
me na me bring you on back ne ade
me say ana am say management member be a friend Abuba ese o guru
say ona
janto
enwum na kura mo de ne din eba mbi Abuba ani me kai pa
o say enyo na ado mo ba together omu shia wo na AK47 na ye o monwum o mo wo ene ye bro dada me bo ye ntwen bronya ana bronya mboa eno no o mo wo nwum ne dada Inti mayor who says Sergeant Lee.
Also, they all played a role in bringing the two back.
No.
Why is it that?
There be so say.
Gulu
one bar together. No one bar together. Not one bar together. But no. The best will catch up say NKZ boss. One who ni boss sir. What to me do be about together. Cause boys no more boys dada and son no more. One who sign near Fiashwas nigga. Ya ante they say, okay, what are the Osani or Mokran? Monya say, deals kakre bion. Na omo makano fori. And they say, you who do to me the bro for Ria Kwakudru. Now, because bro for it and can me go up him. And now I'm paying.
I'm more
there be 12 years, 15 years in this industry, me as to what a problem, babe.
I'm out for me. Now say a lumba no money at the idea.
Oh, there be lumba me special cases.
Bro, for you there. One there.
Oh, any Ghana who are
me kwaba. You turn on
a of Republic of Ghana.
Yes, and the hard, you know.
And the number for
because I got of course we they know
you're not case for that's why they
because I know they not one will be
happens and will be a mecasemia. And I cause I love for us you. And send me and some she was as a medwoman. She go tell me was an saying Omoko beat. Near share number one. On the picture here, and call ye. Now say, Ojinemu, a jar dressing, I be mine, a dressing be mad.
Oh, I knew an enquiry.
So now the artist see me a new picture, Bio Mujinamu Bia, no Jana Bakuna, Mount for a chassis, Cassa. On the old friend who screen is no. On it, oh, there be on the back at the end. On the way was your Sony system. I said, the idea no. Nay, who asked who you should that? I said, Bibia. Oh, Ghana focus. So I said, Bibia, I said, what's somewhere to do public?
It is up. No, ref, you know,
I didn't say them when I said
we were saying the street is watching. Yeah, no, ref, do you hear? Wait me as soon as I fame. Oh, a beer stone boy. But saying you didn't know I am a booby. Sometimes a boo knew. Oh, to say no, say me no tea. Ye jina baby a abontin baby am timi so baby a
oh there
no say no ahwe obi dwen ho
me no de obi anim say empna twen bi akomo wo hu se no no oh there twen oh yeah near wo ho da oh man yes sa enyime ma wo ka chem say sa de wo nya bi wo da so aye eye wo history bi tie no ana me ampo magi
yeah the news no time no
but number one e de wonye de wonjin to mu xylophone so na nse o mu Lucy enkrofo kakra oh enkrofo mienu omo no ye adwuma na we na ai konkonsa Republic of Ghana de yate no
Kofi Adom aja hwema na obo na high studio
na ye
studio ja hwema na obo no
de yate ne say driver no a owu ye no ebusuafo no ye frɛ wo mo say e bia obusuan ye si onipa kora o was that lofun hwan nkrofo ne frɛ no omo frɛ no no omo news na owu brother and the konti ntwa so
oh like that
obi busuani awuo na eso catch so we die anka no nke can say with the deepest of hearts we announce to you that your brother is no more we do also oko ye hwehwe mu na mpa oko ai driver na friend ado wawu be dano na yesi fancy gadam ai need you no and we free mu ana face so no on say nkofo super so mo kire say you say no number 1 ana oye behind the killings ana DC so say a fancy gadam and they behind the killings to we and go na I want to say news we wana we say number 1 we say so say a fancy gadam na pedi aye fame and they say na me kwa abre ho no makobisa say omumienu no why and they use
Abrewa case
so as I say
Abrewa case
all the way in Bradford, Massachusetts. Made sweetheart to be a fan of Lawiaku. And see, I'm saying hello to him. Hi, dog.
Yeah.
Hey, baby.
Yeah.
Hey, yo.
Bye. And bye-bye. All right, it's checkout time. The news is up next. We'll bring a wife and friend on a coffee Adom when he had a brain. Kind nations to watch now, you know, Asia is and so watch now, the commentary, baby. Now, FIFA World Cup quarterfinals, no baby, you know. Some facts be a man for around PM. Yes, France. So, I will spell France, 6 letters. And now Uruguay, so 7 letters. Brazil, so 6 letters. Belgium, 7 letters. Sweden, 6 letters. England, 7 letters. Russia, 6 letters. Croatia, 7 letters. So, it's the battle of the 6 and the 7. And now, Ochina dates, so 6. And now, the next day, no, so AS7.
And yes, so I can't use about 7. You can't use about 7.
So when I had the battle of the 6 and 7, I bear the brutal. It was now who's a man, I was 6 and 7 book of Moses. It was if you're near China, and I was going to be you too. Because you too. As like I said, come on, I would say, Ofie Kwanso.